And I'm Dad.
And today we are at the powwow at the Bishop Museum.
The powwow at the Bishop Museum is a street art exhibit and a mural exhibit within what's known as the Bishop Castle.
Yep, so make sure to enjoy.
We're going in and check out some of the other exhibits here. This one's called Powwow, and it's basically street art. Oh, it's amazing. It's street art all the way around inside what they call the Bishop Castle. It says, "Welcome to the alley. This is an imagined origin story where graffiti was born into a world of adversity and grew to reclaim the unheard voices of resistance." Yeah. And there's a they repurposed a Mortal Kombat machine. Oh wow! Huh. And they have this table set up, so it's like you're in this. I don't know. It's really neat. Whoa! Look at this. Wow. So taking a look at all the art in here. The colors on this. I like the panda. Panda, panda, panda. Wow. This wall is insane. I can't imagine the amount of work that went into this. They have this panel. Look at the dragon. Of just artwork and artwork and artwork and artwork of all kinds, and just beautiful. Oh, and an R2-D2. Wow, look at that one. Oh, I like that traditional style. This place is amazing. So this is called Powwow. Oh, look at this. Huh. Big smiling aloha whitewash. I think that's Mickey Mouse's hand. I think there's probably a message there. And here's the other side of it. The designs on these walls are unreal. Definitely worth coming here and taking a look at this exhibit while it's still here. So this is a skate box. So they have rails so you can skateboard on this. It looks like people have skateboarded on it. That's awesome. Presentation of good ideas and bad ideas. What a cool piece of artwork. Love this style. I bet Oscar would have a hard time with this trash can. I think it would eat him. And the detail on the bottom here is great. Look at the little Pacific Sun can with a cockroach on it, an old spray paint can. The attention to detail on this is outstanding. Wow. So this is the section in this art exhibit known as the alley, which is this idea of where graffiti started, like the birthplace of graffiti, if you will, and all the different types. And so it's a mixture of all different types. So anybody who's a street artist, if you're in the Honolulu area, it's definitely worth coming to check this out. It is amazing to see this and to see the street art and to see the work that's gone into this place. amazing exhibit. This may be the best exhibit I have seen in years. Any art, any museum. The fact that they're giving street artists a place to come share their work, to share their voice, to share their ideas. And so much of it is really amazing.
Okay, so I really love this place, or I don't even really know what to call it. But I think it's like really inspiring seeing all the different art and all the different things that people have created being an artist. So I just really love being here, and I thought all of the art was so cool and so amazing.
Yeah, it's seriously probably my favorite art exhibit I've seen in years. I liked the street nature of it. I like the creativity of it. I mean, there's a little bit of everything here from, you know, they have the whole alley area, which is the classic street art, to the mural designs, to actually paintings in here. And everything has kind of a message to it, or it's just absolutely beautiful. All the pieces here are gorgeous, or really nice and well done. So really, really enjoyed the time here. And if you come here, I definitely think if you're in Honolulu, Hawaii, while this exhibit's going on, it's definitely worth the visit.
Yep, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. And once you subscribe, press the bell for notifications so you know when we upload a new video. And most of all, enjoy.